Today we had our first in-world virtual TV show, talk show, and it turned out very well. Very pleased with it. I also learned as a result that YouTube's automatic closed caption is incredible. So I don't have to type a bunch of stuff out if I don't want to. This video here is about smoothing up some animation glitches that are on this rig here. And right now I'm just going to acquire the animation up here, the animation details. It tells me it's at the end is at 902, so I'll set that to 902 just as a demonstration. I don't really need to. May as well do it by hand. And I'll go there to see what's going on. It happens when the avatar lays down. Now I don't know which part of this is the glitch. I don't know if the rotation start here is part of the glitch, but I can definitely see where a glitch could be fixed, and I'm going to show how to do that here pretty simply. I'm going to set this up for my graph editor, join these. I need to select bone, so pose, and this is the offending bone, obviously. You can use your transform hotkeys to get a view of this. Now you can see there's a lot of wild going on here, and Blender's smooth algorithm is pretty smart, as I discovered. I'm going to show how to do this quickly, and then I'm going to do a couple of manual things. If you look over here, you'll see the menu item, smooth keys. It's Alt O. So let's just do Alt O a bunch of times. And that got rid of a bunch of the bloopy stuff. And there's another one here that we might be able to find. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's a little thing. I guess I can. There's 1, 2, 3, but I don't think the W is responsible. That looks like the W. No, it's not. These are Oilers. So we've got location. Let's turn off location. We don't need those. And we have these. I'm going to hide the others. And just to show how to do a small section here, just in case we don't want that. Let's magnify the view. I want to get rid of that bump, so let's just select a little bit before and a little bit afterwards, and I'm going to scale it on the Y like that. Oops, there we go. I'll move it up, grab all these, and Control O that. Alt O, a little smooth. And alright, so we've got that axis. We can do a little more between there. Y, right. And I'll hide that one, turn that one on. Where are you? There's offending bugger. I need a little bit of, yeah, I guess we can do a little bit of that. Alt O. Oh, I should have the, silly me, I should have put this clicky thing on here. I'll move that out of the way. Now I'm going to scale these on the Y. I hit the Y key to do that. Move these down. Okay, now select a little before, a little after, and allow Blender to smooth that out for me. So that's something you can do, and you do that for the other axes as well, and you can figure that out. Now that's the end of that one.